Alright, I like that. I like it. Let's go for the other eye. Ooh, not too much there on the brush. There we go, back to number 7. Let's erase this part. Just want to make sure that this, yep, okay. I want to make sure that that mark was not on the ink layer. Gotta vary the size of the brush, vary the size of the pen. Very important. Gotta know when to fold them, know when to fold them, right? Know when to make them big. It seems simple. It seems elementary. It's not always as easy as you think. And the eyebrows. The eyebrows have it. Oh, who's there? Obi-Wan 19. Hello, Obi-Wan. Hello there. I'm sure you've never heard that before. I'm sure that's very funny. That's very funny and you liked it. It's very funny. Very funny and you liked it. I should do it with this hand, but over here so you can see it. Nope, this hand. That's better. Here we go. Jedi mind trick. It's very funny and you liked it. Hello, hello, Obi-Wan. I'm sorry about my faux green screen, my fake greens, my beige screen that only works some of the time. Like, if I put my arm in the right way, you see exactly what I don't want you to see. So, all those boxes back there in my basement. How's it going with you? So, am I the only one who remembers Star Tours? It was supposed to be. It was supposed to be a Disney thing, and there were trailers for it, and people were expecting it to happen, but it never happened. And the reason is because George Lucas said, "You know what? Never mind. I don't give you the rights to those characters because some of those jokes that you just made may happen in the future, may be used in future projects, and I don't want." I don't want to make this cartoon anymore. So it was a parody on Star Wars, and all of the generations of Star Wars were included in these parodies. So many Star Wars jokes. Been to Disneyland a few times. The Star Tours there is open. Really? Maybe they kept the name. Oh, Detours. That's what it was called. Star Detours, I think. Hold on. Now I need to know. I think I'm using the wrong title. Yeah, it's an unaired American CGI animated comedy series. There we go. Here's the link. Boom. So that's what I'm talking about.